Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to join a Zoom meeting without audio or video. This is particularly useful when you want to observe a meeting quietly, avoid interruptions in a noisy environment, or simply maintain your privacy during a call. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your Zoom app on your device. Once the app launches, you'll need to log in using your credentials. Enter your email address and password to access your Zoom account. This step ensures you're authenticated and ready to join meetings associated with your profile. After logging in, you'll see the main Zoom interface. Here, locate and click on the Join button. This button is typically displayed prominently on the home screen and allows you to enter a meeting as a participant. Clicking it will open a dialog box where you can input the meeting details. In the dialog box that appears, enter your meeting ID or personal link name. The meeting ID is the unique numerical code provided by the meeting host, while the personal link name is a custom URL if the host has set one up. Make sure you enter this information correctly to ensure you're joining the right meeting. Now comes the crucial part for joining without audio or video. Before clicking Join, look for the checkbox beside Don't Connect to Audio and check it. This prevents Zoom from automatically connecting your microphone or speakers to the meeting. Next, find the checkbox beside Turn off my video and check that as well. This ensures your camera stays off when you enter the meeting room. Once you've checked both boxes, click the Join button to proceed. The system will now prepare to connect you to the meeting with these settings applied. At this point, Zoom will finalize your preferences before actually entering the meeting space. Before you fully join, double-check the audio and video settings. Look at the icons for both audio and video. If there's a red line crossing through each icon, this confirms that both your audio and video are disabled. This visual indicator is your confirmation that you'll be joining the meeting silently and without video. Once you've verified this, click Join to enter the meeting, and there you have it. You've successfully joined a Zoom meeting without audio or video, allowing you to participate discreetly and on your own terms. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.